Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you beautiful rocks painting design ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. So friends, my first idea is night sky rocks. Today we paint a night sky on rocks. Use dark blue or black colors and small white stars and a moon. It's look clean and magical, perfect for decoration. Sunflower rocks. Let's paint sunflower rocks. Use bright yellow petals and a brown center. It's look warm and happy, easy and beautiful fruit rock. Viewers, so friends, next idea is viewers. Today we paint fruit rocks, make strawberry, orange or watermelon. Use bright and fresh color. It look cute and fun. And viewers, butterfly rocks. Let's paint butterfly on rocks. Use bright color for wings. Add simple patterns. It look lovely and creative. Alphabet rocks and friends. Let's paint alphabet rocks. Write letters on each stones. Use different color, fun and help for kids learning. And viewers pattern rocks and viewers. Next idea is viewers. I hope you enjoy my videos, viewers. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, viewers, for more latest updates. So friends, so Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video, friends. So Allah Hafiz, take care and